Good afternoon. Welcome. It's Anita. Welcome back to my channel. We're still in the month of April doing a seed a day. It gives you a bountiful harvest. But today wasn't a planting day, but I did get a lot done in the garden. As you can see, I started laying cardboard in the walkways to prepare for more mulch so that we can walk. I want to walk around. And I cleaned up this cherry blossom tree and I gave it some fresh soil around the base. This is called the Kwanzan, I think Kwanzan cherry tree. This is my third year with it and it's growing beautifully. I'm happy with it. Okay, moving on to the other cherry blossom. This one had some issues last year. It got infested down in the trunk area, but as you can see, it's healing. It's continuing to heal, and it's doing much better. I'm going to trim away all of the dead branches so that the energy can be like diverted to the healthy part, and we'll see where that's going. I'll keep you updated. I mixed a lot of soil today. I'm preparing for more transplants. And right here you can see I put the fence up for the blackberry bushes so that they'll be able to climb. Okay, there's still more to clean up. I got blueberries, crab apples, cherry trees, but we're getting there little by little. I wanted to check on this pomegranate. It looked like it was done, but I refreshed the soil. I cleaned up the roots. So we'll see where that goes. Sometimes what looks dead to us, and I've thrown away a lot of plants thinking they was dead, all they needed was a little care and they pop back up. So we'll keep checking on that one, because last year that one gave me pomegranates and the other one didn't. Do this. I did my fire. These are shrubs, but they're called red fire or something like that, fire, and I bought them when they were babies and they just turn bright red. Is red. And then this is the other thing. My elderberry was dying, so I did go ahead and repot the elderberry, and gave it some fresh soil, and now I'm going to water everything and I will be done for the day. So those are my plants for the day. I'm only supposed to be doing one a day, but sometimes you see things and they need doing and you just get to them. Oh, look. The snapdragons. That's gonna be red. We can see it. I don't know what color that one will be, but yeah, that'll be red. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love and light. Happy gardening.